Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a fruit salad step by step. Wash and prepare your workspace, then gather fresh fruits like apples, berries, bananas, and citrus along with a sharp knife and cutting board. Chill a bowl and set out small bowls for chopped fruit. Choose a simple dressing of honey and lemon, and taste as you go to adjust sweetness and acidity. Serve chilled for best flavor. Start by selecting ripe, firm fruits for varied texture and color. Use a sharp knife and steady cutting board to chop evenly, aiming for bite-sized pieces. Combine fruits in a large chilled bowl and toss gently to avoid bruising. Add nuts or herbs if desired, and keep delicate fruits separate until just before serving. This keeps flavors fresh and textures vibrant. Mix a simple dressing of honey, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt to balance sweetness. Taste the dressing and adjust with more honey or lemon until flavors are lively and balanced. Fold the dressing into fruit gently and let sit briefly for flavors to marry. Serve with a sprinkle of mint or toasted nuts, and always keep leftovers chilled in an airtight container. Enjoy it as a snack, dessert, or side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.